Idol, so binisita ako ng mga power angler dito sa Santa Ana, Cagayan. Okay, name bro?
Gerald Fishing Vlog from Santa Ana, Cagayan. So idol ko po si
Power.
Nice meeting you. Nandito din po si
Master Bean. Yan, Master Bean.
Hello mga sir.
Power.
Nice meeting you, Sir Richard. Isa sa mga pillars siguro para sa akin ng angling, lalo na sa jigging.
Thank you bro. Thank you. Yun.
Desert Fox, Buster. Desert Fox po.
Yun.
Bye-bye! Ingat ka dyan, maraming pating dyan!
Alright mga bro idol, good morning. Time check dito sa amin. 4:35 ng umaga. So umaga pa lang mga bro idol. Ay gising na uli ako. Okay, so kagahapon nga dumating ako dito sa Maynila. Pero ngayon ay babiyahin na naman uli. So one night lang ako dito sa Pasig. So kung makikita nyo mga bro idol, naka-impake na lahat ng mga gamit ko. Yan lang ang dala ko. Cellphone, tapos camera syempre. So ngayong araw mga bro idol ay babiyahe kami, papunta kami ng Santa Ana, Cagayan. So malayo-layo yun. Siguro mga 12 hours na biyahe yon via land trip. So ngayong umaga mga bro idol ay pupunta ako doon kila Attorney Gordon Uy. Dahil doon ako makikiride sa kanila. Dahil sila ang makakasama ko papunta doon sa Cagayan. At sila din ang kateam ko sa gaganaping PGFF fishing tournament. So mga bro idol, abangan nyo ang aking mga vlog. Abangan nyo ang aking mga videos dito sa gaganapin na PGFF tournament doon po sa Santa Ana, Cagayan. Power mga bro idol, let's go! There is a dog. Tutoy, ang pangalan mo? Ira. Alright. Ready to go? Yeah, let's go! Santa Ana, Cagayan. Nakaload na yung ibang mga gamit. Alright, let's go! Alright, good evening mga bro idol. So andito na kami sa Jerry's Grill, Tugigaraw. Dito kami muna magdi-dinner, kasi from here malayo-layo po yung aming babiyahin. Around mga 4 hours pa ang biyahe. Okay, so yun mga bro idol, malis kami ng Manila mga 7 AM. Tapos ngayon 7:18 in the evening, ngayon pa lang kami nandito sa Tugigaraw. So malayo-layo po ang biyahe namin. Okay, so kain muna, then biyahe uli mamaya. Update ko na lang kayo pagka nandun na kami sa Santa Ana, Cagayan. Alright, so we are here in San Vicente mga bro idol. We travel around 16 hours 15 hours. Okay. Alright, so good evening mga bro idol. Time check dito sa amin, mag alas 11 na ng hating gabi. So andito na kami sa aming room dito po sa San Vicente. So mahaba yung naging biyahe pero sulit. Andito na kami. Right, so this is our room here in PGFF camp. So maraming room dito. Kami ang nauna. Still icy. So tatlo yung bed. Ay isa pala double deck. Right. Okay, bukas na matutulog na kami mga bro idol. Mga bro idol. Sa PGFF fishing camp. You vlog, I vlog. Nice. So yung mga bro idol, may bumisita sa aming mga angler dito from Santa Ana, Cagayan anglers. Tapos nandito si Attorney. Pinigyan sila ng mga reel.
Low elite, ha?
Nice.
Okay. Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Malaking bagay ito, sir.
Nice.
Makipicture lang sana kami dati. Kasi ever
Sino ba yung Alvaro, yung isa?
baka si Conser, si Ronald Alvarado.
Oo, yun. Bigay mo na sa kanya yung isa.
Sige po, sir.
Kay Ronald, i-declare nyo, okay? Para yung isa kay Ronald Alvarado.
Kay
Yun.
Bo. Kay Bo.
Yan.
Nice. Power.
Wala
Power.
pusit dito? Pusit.
Power.
Sir,
Wala
Power.
pusit dito?
sir, meron, sir.
Right, good evening mga bro idol. So ngayon nga ay dito. Mamaya ay magkakaroon ng briefing. Pero bago ang briefing mga bro idol ay magkakaroon muna ng dinner. So dinner na dito sa PGF camp. Dito po sa San Vicente sa Tana Cagayan. Yun. Siguro Patrick ang nauna. Yeah. Yun. So attorney. Yun.
Hindi nagpapayat ka niyan. Papayat ka niyan, promise.
Right. Alright, finish. Hi, power. Pandagdag ng timbang. Alright.
Okay, good evening everyone. May I have your attention please? Okay. First of all, I would like to welcome everyone sa PTF.com for our Boyko Heavy Tackle Tournament. So, I can say that this is an international tournament because we have representatives from Taiwan and Japan, Angola, Mr. Angola, Apo, you're from Angola, right? Africa also, we have.
China rin.
China, the Team Pogo. Well, anyway, again, welcome, and I hope you are enjoying our sumptuous dinner tonight, courtesy of our PGFF staff. Sarap. Grabe. Hindi pa tayo nag-fishing. Okay, English nga pala. We haven't gone fishing yet, but we already ate 4 times. So, watch your weight. By the time we get back to Manila and to Japan or Taiwan, you gain at least 5 kilos. Okay, so right now, I will be briefing everyone for our tournament rules tomorrow. So first, our fishing time will be from 3:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, so we can leave at 3:30 and you should come back by 4 p.m.
Oh, to early mga bro.
And breakfast will be light breakfast will be served at June at what time? 3 a.m. Okay. 3 a.m. sir. 3 a.m. light breakfast will be served. So when I say light breakfast, it's gonna be just sandwiches. There will be packed breakfast. So what will be served here is the light breakfast, and everyone will be given their own packed breakfast, along with the packed lunch, of course. June provided the packed lunch. Okay. So the pagkakas will be included in your packed lunch. Does anybody here have food restrictions? Wala na siguro na pula.
May iba dito, litson lang daw kasi kinakain. Kung pwede daw, kailangan dilikin lagi.
Sabi sa kay Gordon.
Orts, may iba doon, litson lang daw kasi kinakain.
Okay, so our fishing methods tomorrow, we will be allowing trolling, jigging, popping, bottom fishing. Electric reels are not allowed. Okay? Boatmen are not allowed to fish. They're only allowed to help you relieve you from snacks. That's it. They will not also be allowed to reel in. And yeah, gapping the fish, of course. Helping you land the fish. But they are not allowed to reel in the fish for you. Netting and gapping, it's allowed. Okay? Line and tackle, 50-pound line, PE5 maximum. No limit on the number of rods and reels for trolling. Okay? But for bottom fishing and jigging, it's gonna be 1 rod per angler at a time. Understood? Any questions with that? Okay. Next, qualifying fish, billfish, marlin, sailfish, minimum of 10 kilograms. Okay, clear tayo doon. It's gonna be 10 kilograms minimum for billfish, which is sailfish and marlin. Other species, 3 kilos minimum. Understood? Endangered species are not allowed. So, ano ba, what are these endangered species? Sharks, we do not allow sharks. Rays, we do not allow rays. Turtles, eels, squid. Because squid is not a fish, of course. Ano ito? Butet? Ano yung butet?
Pufferfish?
Pufferfish. Pufferfish. We do not allow pufferfish. Fishing area will be the coastal areas of San Vicente up to Maggie. So when we say coastal areas of San Vicente, you can hit fish here in Palawi up to Maggie. Clear? Tournament rules apply in the PGFF. Then our board of stewards will be Edong Guzman. Ito. Mark Stark. And Attorney Gordon Uy. So if you have any complaints or questions or questions about the catch or whatever, you should file your complaints before the board of stewards. In writing. Right? Okay, so what else? Our participating teams are composed of the following: Team John Manuel, Edong Guzman, Boyko, Rapko, and AC Chan. Yeah. And Team Shaolong Bao, composed of myself, Ayi Luna, Apong Ayala, Alex Hish, and Michael Chang. Team Italia, Wilson Tan, Stephen Tan, and Herbert Chung. Team Adopt a Village School, lone team of Mr. Michael Kawai from Japan. And Team Anay, Jun Salvador. Team Mark Stark. Then Team Tackle Direct, Patrick Peña, Kenneth Villarino, Crisanto de la Cruz, and Rene Luchin. And lastly, Team Pacific Dream, Gordon Uy, Frankie Tan, and Richard Molina. And right now, I would like to acknowledge our new members. Mr. AC Chan, you're a new member, right? Yeah. Please welcome Mr. AC Chan.
Yeah.
Welcome to BGFF. I hope you enjoy.
Stand up so that they can see you. Mr. Popo.
And from Team Shaolong Bao, Mr. Alec Hish from Taiwan. And Michael Chang from Taiwan also. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to BGFF. Next new members are Mr. Crisanto de la Cruz. Welcome to BGFF. And Mr. Renel Ching, who is the owner of a Tackle Direct tackle shop, a newly opened tackle shop located in Taguig City. Right? Welcome. I hope you enjoy. And Mr. Frankie Tan, new member din? No. Old. Richard Molina. Okay. New member. Our blogger from the beautiful island of Romblon. Welcome. I hope
Thank you.
More fish tomorrow. And I hope you give BGFF a good flight.
Yeah.
So that's it for weather update, Mr. Gordon Uy.
Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to our BGFF camp and welcome to this tournament. I hope you will have a very fruitful stay and enjoy our fishing camp. Tomorrow the weather is windy coming from Taiwan. So here. And so when you go out, it's windy, but the wind, the wave is following behind you to go out. And then as you reach Suserak, the weather will be calm, it will be flat. And then when you go back in the afternoon, you will be going against the wave. You will be bombarded, so be ready with your raincoat. Okay, and also, before you go out, you check your marine radio and backup radio if you have. And we keep the frequency at channel 71. 71. And also, for safety, also you should secure your life jacket. If you don't have any life jacket, BGFF will provide you one. But of course, I assume that everybody mostly bringing their own life jacket for the comfort. And also, we have an additional safety feature here in the camp. This is our Pathfinder. This is the global positioning of our boat. Here, you have, when you are out and you're okay, you check in every 2 hours to let the camp know that you are okay. So you just push on. Anyway, you just put on. And then after putting on, there's a blink. It will keep on blinking, meaning you are ready to announce your position. You just check, okay, and then what out it's blinking and acknowledging it. Here, there's a 2 blink, meaning you're sending your signal that you're in this position. You're okay. If you need help, there is 2 hands extending to one another. You just press. In this way, the camp will know that you are in need of assistance. So we will send out a remote to locate with your location. We will know that you need help in this GPS location. And then please, you press SOS if you think you're going to die. Because if you press SOS, the signal will be sent to USA. And the USA office will call the Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Navy, Philippine Police, and Standard Insurance, and everybody. And
Pati Pogo, tatawagan nila.
Pati Pogo will call you and find out what you want, and they will send out to me and yeah. And then only to find out you have a filter problem. That's very embarrassing. Everybody, you're waking up everybody. So you only press SOS if you are in grave danger. Do not press the SOS. Okay? Yeah. Every boat will have this Pathfinder. Okay, and anyway, you have your buddy boat, and you keep your radio to check each other from time to time. Find out if your signals are okay. Sometimes, because of our boats are parked here all the time, so sometimes the connection on the antenna is frozen. You just, if you have something, you just pull it out clean it, put it back. That's a common problem here. Or sometimes the antenna is standing up. You have to do your own troubleshooting. The antenna is not standing up, so you cannot send or receive. You can listen, but you cannot transmit your signal. So you have to check your radio. So from here, you check your signal. It means you have a distance frequency, but when you're out, you check your distance signal. If you're okay, then you're okay for the day. Okay? Any other question? Tomorrow, the time change. You know, it's very early, but very high. It's 1.5 meter at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. And then the low tide is 11:50. 11:50. And then next day, the tide change is at 6:20. And then the low tide is at 12 noon. So you hurry up, get to position before the tide change runs out. And then do whatever you want to do, but you will meet the tide change. You have to be in position.
Third day.
Huh?
Third day.
Third day is almost a difference of 40 minutes. Only the difference is 40 minutes.
Fourth day.
Fourth day, we can see each other in Manila. Okay?
Add ko lang, our boat is Starlink. So yung base camp can call our boat by Wi-Fi or Globe. Yung kayo naman, if in case you need to call somebody and you need Wi-Fi, look for our boat. Pwedeng Wi-Fi, pwede rin Globe. So we have Globe signal also. Pero yung phone mo should have a Wi-Fi calling feature. Is everyone familiar?
Yeah.
Alam mo, no? Okay, so yun lang. So in case may emergency, like last time, may emergency kay Kawai ba yun? So we were talking to base camp by Globe. So nalayo na namin eh. So we were able to rescue Kawai. Mas making Kawai.
Okay. You keep your body boat within your eyesight. Do not separate so far. Sometimes, like my body boat always disappear somewhere. Okay.
Yung stuff na yung rig.
Naka-ready na ba yung rig natin dyan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have our standby Coast Guard auxiliary rig boat outside, so they're just waiting for our signal. If you need help, then that's the time they go out.
Ano pangalan? Anong name ng call nila? Call sign nila?
Mando.
Mando.
The boatman is Mando, our long-time PGFF boatman, 30 years before I could recall it. So he has been here around 30 years. And he's an awardee by the Philippine Coast Guard for outstanding volunteerism. Okay. I hope you will enjoy your fishing.
Okay, for body boat nga pala. So, Team John Manuel, who is your body boat?
This little boy.
Kawai.
Kawai. Team Kawai. Pakitake down na lang, Jun.
Always have
Team Xiaolong Bao, kami, we will be teaming up with Team Tackle Direct.
Our team.
Team Italia, who is your body boat? Gordon?
Italia, Pacific Dream.
Pacific Dream. Team Italia and Pacific Dream. And, of course,
the two bakas.
Jun Salvador and Mark Stark. Team Anay and Team Stark. Body boat. Okay? So, take note body boats must come in together at 4 p.m. Pag wala, if your body boat is not with you when you come in, you're gonna be disqualified for the day only. For the day only, not for the whole tournament. Okay? So, I wish everyone good luck. Happy fishing tomorrow. Night lines, everyone. Good night.
Alright. So yun mga bro idol, yung simple briefing dito sa gaganaping PGFF annual fishing tournament. Yun. Fishing day na tomorrow. Okay, let's go mga bro idol.